In this video, we will be learning how to begin and find a purchase order, as well as insert a new PO, look up a vendor, find an existing PO, edit an existing PO, be able to receive each line on a PO, able to receive PO as a whole, as well as viewing a PO attached to an RO. To insert a new PO, in the main window, above the buttons, you will find drop-down titles. Find and click on Purchase Orders. Bring up PO Entry window, click on Insert, use the drop-down arrows on the boxes to select what you want. PO type, vendor, this is where you are able to look up a vendor, department, ship to, carrier, etc. Enter part number, description, quantity, and cost. Then click OK. The PO has been created. To find an existing PO, at the top, go to and click on the purchase orders. Click Search PO, select the status, type, department, date from and to, then click on Search. A list of POs are listed. To edit a PO on that list, double-click on the line you want to edit, and that PO comes up. Click on Edit, and change the quantity ordered by clicking in that box and Delete. Change the number, then click OK. Receiving each line on a PO is done by double-clicking on the top PO with one item. Click on the line to highlight, and on the top, click on Receive, then click OK. To receive a PO as a whole, click on the PO that has 3 different items or lines. Highlight all 3 lines by pressing the Control key and clicking each line. Then click on Receive All. Finally, click on OK. To view a PO attached to an RO, click on the Jobs button. On the right side, you will see a sublet description about halfway down. To the right side, you will see a highlighted slightly yellow box. This is the PO attached to the RO. Click on it, and it will bring up purchase orders for RO 179920, PO number 20804. Double-click on that line, and the PO will come up. Congratulations! You have successfully learned about the content in this video.